Alrighties, so I finally got it. It's in this really cute box by Yes24. And I taped up my information, but it came with the DHL. It came in like a couple of hours ago. We're just gonna get straight to it. Of course, I need my handy dandy dangerous scissors. Let's leave this on the side. Oof. They just leave a piece of paper just to cover this. Oof. Okay, put that on the side. Oh my gosh, look at this texture. It's like those picnic boxes. How am I supposed to get it out? Oh my gosh, it's a whole box. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna put this on the side. Oh my god. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. There's the cap. Oh my gosh. Is this my card? Look at the card. Look at my name. Oops. My number. The card's so cute. There goes my number again. Oh my gosh. The pouch. I was like, the most excited thing from this box is this pouch. Like, I'm super excited. Like, wait, what? The pouch. It's so cute. It says Fantasy. I guess this is like the napkin thing. Yes. I'm gonna go get my light stick. Here's my light stick. We're gonna put her in now. I don't know if I should put it this way or the other way. I'm gonna put it the other way. Closing it. Yay. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, it fits. So cute. I'm guessing these are the photo cards. Let's see the pictures. I'm like sweating. Oof. Oof. They always look good, honestly. These are real thick. Young pin. Oh my gosh, they look so soft. Soft boys. Selfie ones. Oh my gosh. Do they have a message on the back? No. They just say all holiday fantasy ones. The pin. I low-key don't like the pin. I really like meh. Stickers of their writing. Yes. Put it over there. I forgot what these things are. What else was in here? Is this a poster? I think it's a poster. How do you open this? Oh my gosh. I think it is a poster. Let's see what the poster looks like. Oh my gosh, it's a long one. Oof. So cute. Okay, we'll put this back. I guess these are bigger pictures. Wait, are they sealed shut? I don't want to open it. We're gonna freaking open this for everyone to see. Oh, it's just open like this. Just straight up pictures. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at those. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the back. It's like their own little company photo card, photo things. Oh my gosh. Why are they a bunch of idiots? I'm gonna put this back. This is a huge book. What the heck? This is really thick. She's real thick. Oh my gosh. Oof. This feels like a whole textbook. Yes. Well, that's it. That's the end of it. I guess I didn't get one of those photo cards. I'm not those lucky ones. Sad reacts. It's so funny because a lot of people were complaining about especially international fans, they were complaining about the shipping and tracking and stuff. But like the freaking first year they did this, we didn't even get tracking. Like we were just like blindly waiting for the freaking kit to come, and it was just like, yeah, hopefully it comes sometime, because what the heck. And we paid like a lot for shipping, and I'm so glad this time around we paid a lot for shipping, but like they gave us tracking and stuff instead of just like nothing. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna keep it. Should I just keep it in here? She doesn't even fit in here. She's not going back in. Anyways, I'm gonna put my card in my wallet. Put this in my wallet in case FNC decides to open a freaking store around here or something. Then we'll leave this here. Then we close the box. Yay!